Sir, can I say?
Digital. Digital.
Yeah, digital. Not only that, you have to say the full name.
Digital. C. In. Cafe.
Cafe.
What is the name of the cafe? Why are you saying? What is the name of the cafe? Akshara, what is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is Digital C Internet Cafe.
What is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is Digital C Internet Cafe.
That is how you have to say. What Akshara told is correct. The name of the cafe is Digital Seas Internet Cafe. It has to be like that full sentence. There is nothing to struggle here. Question number 2, Ilakya.
Where does the cafe is located?
Cafe is located at
Super. Keep going.
23 George Street.
Beautiful. Where is the cafe located? The cafe is located at 23 George Street. Only one is Ilakya, not two is, only one. Ilakya number 3.
The cost? What is the cost for
No.
30 minutes on a computer?
Did you miss one thing? You missed one question.
When does it open?
It opens
When
Tuesday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Super.
is the cafe is opened on Sunday?
No,
Oh,
it's not opened on Sunday.
no. Sarvesh, did you miss it?
It is opened on Sunday.
Yes, it is open on Sundays. Keep moving, Ilakya. You are too fast.
What is the cost for 30 minutes on a computer?
1 pound.
What?
No.
Sir,
The cost is 1 pound for 30 minutes on computer. You have to say like that. You can't say like this.
what is the food available in the cafe?
What is the food available?
Cake, cool drinks, coffee
Are available. Cakes
are available.
and coffee are available. You have to go with the subject and verb. I know it's a little bit hard, but I'm going to do this here. What is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is the
Digital C Internet Cafe.
Super. Where is it located?
It is located at 23 George Street.
Super.
23.
Does it open on Sundays?
No, yes, it's
open on Sundays.
Yes, it opens on Sundays. So, what is the cost of the cafe?
The cost
The
of
cost of the cafe
is
is
1
1
pound.
pound.
1 pound for 30 minutes on computer. The cost of the cafe is 1 pound for computers for 30 minutes on computer. You have to just like that. You have to push. What is the food available there?
Cakes, cold drinks, coffee are available in the cafe.
Wow. See, everyone is able to really get into the subject and verb and all that. Very good. We
Can I say the next one?
yeah, who is that?
Akshara sir.
We have given a thing for Ilakya now. Now we'll go with Akshara and Rachel.
Okay, sir. I will ask the questions.
Okay, Akshara will ask the question, Rachel will answer. All right. We'll have one more thing, Ilakya, don't worry, we'll have one more.
விளையாடிட்டு அங்க கேட்டதுக்குள்ள ஜாகிரதை படிக்க அதுதான் இப்போ ஒரு தடவை முன்னாடி படிச்சிடணும் படிச்சிடணும்.
Service is doing fine. Service is doing okay.